What's up, guys? Today we're gonna review the limited exclusive 7-Eleven flavored Pringles fried onion ring. It boasts naturally flavored with other natural flavors, and it's an onion ring going on a shoe toss thing, whatever game. Don't care. Collect your rewards or whatever. Blah 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 blah. The box cylinder containment looks great. Got a nice purple, nice little fried color. Like I said, this is exclusive to 7-Eleven. You can't really see it. Sorry, they're up there. Exclusive. Now, if I just showed this to you, you wouldn't know it's exclusive flavor to what, because it doesn't say 7-Eleven anywhere on it. But this is the only place you can get it. Sorry if you don't have one. I've read about these before. I guess they've been out in very small numbers or in Canada or something a long time ago. But hey, now we got them. Let's pop the top. Smells all right. Kind of an onion. Doesn't look very colorized. Looks like a normal run-in-the-mill Pringle. It's not too powerful, but it's just enough to know what you're eating. 100%. It tastes like either A, an onion ring, obviously, or B, a Funyun. So if you like the Funyun chips, which are obviously based on onion rings, but it tastes like a flattened Funyun. I like it a lot. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Definitely will buy these again. I think they're a little more than normal Pringles. If you go to like Walmart or something, Pringles are like, what, under $2? This was like 2 something, I guess because it's exclusive, which is kind of lame that they're going to tack on a bigger price. But it's genuinely good. I'm going to hit this bad boy 4 out of 5 Sneaky Snakes. This top tier Pringle. Yeah. You guys ever make duck mouths out of your Pringles? I did it when I was a kid. And literally the last time I had Pringles probably. It's fun.